Earlier this year, I posted a lentil stew recipe, and it kind of took off. And basically, your comments were, give us more lentils. I got you. Here's the recipe I came up with, and I made it 3 times this week. Not because I had to, but to be honest with you, it was so good, I couldn't stop eating it. It's creamy, it's filling, and it costs less than $2 a serving. This recipe might just be better than the first. Now let's get cooking. We start with the mushrooms because this is where all the flavor lives. I'm using Trader Joe's frozen mushrooms. I keep a bag in the freezer for 3 reasons. I like them because they come clean and sliced, so dinner is much faster. Shiitakes have a deep, robust flavor, so it makes the dish that you're making taste more flavorful. They don't spoil the day before you need them, and that's a plus. I know you're tempted to season the mushrooms right now, but hold off on the salt. Salt tends to draw out the moisture in the mushrooms, so it'll cause them to get steamed and not brown. And we don't want them to get steamed, we want them brown. Give them about 5 to 6 minutes to brown, then we'll add our seasoning. Once they're brown, in goes the garlic, just 30 seconds. Now here's the trick to creamy without any cream. The cornstarch is what turns thin milk into a silky sauce. No dairy, no fuss. And later you'll see how it thickens. Don't be afraid to season your food before adding the protein. We want this to taste good, not flat. I love lentils. They're one of the cheapest proteins you can buy. A couple of cans and dinner suddenly feels filling and kind of luxurious. I added a few splashes of veggie broth just to get it a little more saucy. While that simmers, let me share something with you. You know that 5 o'clock feeling you get when you're like, what do I even make for dinner? Instead of digging around on the web, I have everything right here on my Divine Chef budget-friendly Eats app. Budget dinners you won't find on the channel or on my website. You can save your favorites and skim a whole catalog right at your fingertips. I use it all the time, and I really think you'll love it too. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check it out. Now the vegan Parmesan. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes and watch it get creamy right before your eyes. That right there, that's exactly what we're after. I'm adding a little spinach for color. Don't worry, I know it looks like a lot, but it almost wilts down to nothing. So good. The mushrooms, that Parmesan, it tastes like it's been simmering all day. And here's the part I love. It makes 4 servings, so tomorrow's lunch is already ready. And if you make this recipe, come back and let me know. I really want to know what you think. And if you haven't seen the lentil stew that started all this, I'll put it right here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.